Run the cell-tightened electrical for the electricity to the unit. Now put my lock nut back on. Make sure I thread my wires through. The ground is actually number 10, but my 2 hot wires are number 8. Now I've took the ground in, line my black wire in, line 1, a red wire, line 2 in, and those connections are made. I've got to put my cover, inside cover on. And now I'll make my other connections before I power to it. I did the ground wire first. Put the black wire underneath the lug that goes underneath. This is power wire going to the contactor. Wire in there, see? Same on my red. And just pull it in. I've got power at my unit now. Well, sure enough, my unit's come. It had a time delay, which is a safety feature built in, which we like that. Protects our compressor from power going off and on. So my unit's come up running. My pressures look good for this time, for the temperature it is outside right now. We're in good shape. Well, that's a wrap. We're finished. We've finished completely installing a heating and cooling system.